Good afternoon. As promised, we're back at Lumpini. Today we're going to have a good look around. Welcome to Thai Days. Right, Lumpini is known as the green zone in the city. This is where businessmen and tourists and Bangkok residents come to jog, exercise and stuff like that. A little drink store here so you can get your water. This is the first little lake in Lumpini Park, and you can rent out those swan boats if you want to have a little ride around on the lake. And here you can see some joggers. Lumpini Park was the first public park in Bangkok. It's a multiple functional park where people can do several outdoor activities like exercising. I heard you can see old people do Tai Chi here as well. Right, there's a little bridge over here, so let's cross over it. See what's on the other side. And yeah, okay, so you can see a lot of flowers and trees in this park. Obviously it's a massive park as well, it's absolutely huge. Let's have a look at this lake here as well. You can see like the green zone and the buildings just around it. Also in this park, Lumpini Park, you can see people having parties, doing ballroom dancing, Tai Chi as I mentioned, playing games, and there's music and social dancing, reading books in the library and so on. So it's a well-used park, and a lot of people do like to come here to get away from the hustle and bustle of Bangkok. You get these trees with the shrines in them. In general. So I should put all the links in the description as always, and please give this video a like if you have the time, it will be appreciated. There's also a youth centre around here, and there's a food centre too, so you can, you know, get some food. And obviously a lot of people will come here to make merry with the trees and something like that. Let's cross this bridge and have a little look at the lakes. So, oh yeah, you can get the canoes as well, and there's some kids with the canoes. Let's have a look at the other side. There we go. Murder of crows. There we go. I thought it'd be a good idea just to walk around, have a look. And badminton court just up there. I'm not going to film it because it's not fair on them. And there's a playground just down here. And of course Lumpini Park is completely free to get in. So there you go, you can just come down, have a walk around, relax, do what you need to do before you go back to the big smoke bangers. This is part of the lake as well. Let's go over this bridge, have a look. As you saw from last video, they have festivals here, right? Now I know what festival it was last time. It was the Red Cross Festival. I wish I would have known that earlier. And as you can see, they're making some pagodas up here as well. So it looks like there'll be another festival coming soon. This is the wrong gate, by the way. I have to go to the next gate. I want to go back to where I want to come from. Let's have a look at this. So you get this lovely little park, but it's completely surrounded by these high sky skyscrapers. It really is a green zone. In fact, I'm pretty sure that these big tents are from the festival we went to last time. Well, at the end of the video, which again was that Red Cross video, right? You can see it again, palm trees and buildings. There you go. Nice array of flowers. Very nice. Well, I found the library. There it is. I don't think it's open at the moment. Oh, it is open. There you go. The library of Lumpini Park. It's cool how they've engraved that on there. The sun is going down in Bangkok. That's keeping up the park's appearances. That has to be done. There you go, we've done one lap of Lumpini Park. Quite enjoyed that, nice. I like the park, always have done. There's some lovely flower spots here as well. We didn't see any big lizards today. I've only seen one cat. There you go. Still nice though. Still very neat. Well, a little look around Lumpini Park as promised. Like and subscribe. See you later.